The legendary Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser, an off-road icon with roots dating back to 1960, has just received a bold new transformation, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Courtesy of the expert craftsmen at Legacy Overland, this FJ40 has not only been reborn, but re-engineered with a powerful American heart under the hood and a refined taste for both trail and tarmac. For decades, the FJ40 has stood as the definitive symbol of rugged durability, admired globally for its simplicity, dependability, and unfiltered capability. But now, this classic off-roader has been catapulted into a new realm, blending vintage charm with modern mechanical muscle. Legacy Overland began by stripping the FJ40 down to its original frame. From there, they installed a 355 cubic inch GM small block V8, an American-made powerhouse designed for serious performance. To ensure smooth, efficient fueling and robust reliability, they added a Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system. Cooling is managed by an aluminum radiator, while a stainless steel exhaust system lets the V8 breathe and roar with a satisfying rumble. Power delivery is also upgraded with a new clutch system and a rebuilt transfer case, ensuring this beast handles both on- and off-road terrains with ease. But Legacy Overland didn't stop at just power. The drivetrain was reworked with new front and rear drive shafts, and the braking system modernized with a new master cylinder and booster, giving this old-school Land Cruiser modern stopping power to match its newfound speed. Moving outside, the iconic hardtop of the FJ40 has been replaced by a convertible-style soft top, perfect for sunny cruises or rugged outdoor adventures. The visual upgrades continue with new doors, handles, and seals, giving the exterior a refreshed yet classic look. Completing the vintage aesthetic are 15-inch Sumitomo wheels, maintaining the period-correct style while supporting the SUV's rugged capabilities. Step inside and the experience remains authentically classic, with tasteful refinements. New door cards and shift boots breathe new life into the cabin, yet the decision to avoid a modern infotainment system or flashy electronics is deliberate and admirable. This Restomod is all about preserving the original essence of the FJ40 while subtly upgrading performance and comfort. The result? A vehicle that retains its old-school soul while boasting the muscle and usability of a modern rig. It's a true fusion of heritage and horsepower, perfect for enthusiasts who crave nostalgia but refuse to compromise on drivability. Whether you're navigating rocky terrain or cruising through the city, this FJ40 now has the lungs and legs to handle it all with style. Legacy Overland has done more than just modify a classic. They've respected its legacy while enhancing its potential. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a purpose-built machine designed to bring smiles on any surface. With timeless aesthetics, raw American power, and modern usability, this Toyota FJ40 Restomod is the kind of build that turns heads and fuels dreams.